I'm gonna show you a cool trick with your iPhone if you need to zoom in on the app or maybe your text messages or anything. In welding, we call them cheater lenses. If we need to look at our weld so that we can see them to make them zoom in. But here go what you do here on the iPhone. First, you go to settings. And under settings, you scroll down to general. And then you see the accessibility. And you notice that there at the top where it says zoom is off. So before you turn it on, the first thing you want to do is go down to here to the bottom where it says accessibility shortcut. And you click that. You notice that I got the zoom checked. You can click it or click it again, but you want to make sure it's checked. This is a shortcut to where you can triple click the home button to go back and forth from zoom. So we got that on. So now we want to go back. Under general, we want to go to the accessibility again. We want to go to the zoom. And you want to turn your zoom on, but let's scroll down here at the bottom. Make sure you don't have the 10 times, 11 times. Just go to the minimum, 1.2, or you can go to 3, but let's go to 1.2 because you can get it too big and it'll cover the whole screen. You're going to have some problems. So we got it at 1.2. We're going to go here and turn the zoom on. Okay, you notice that it's on. Okay, so if I go back to my home, down here at the bottom where you see that oval shape right in the middle, you put your finger on that, you can move it back and forth either way you want. Okay, say for instance, we want to go to a text message. You know, you can read your text messages. Or you could just move in there. And like I said, we turned that shortcut accessibility on. So I could triple click on the home button. 1, 2, 3. It turns it off. If I want to turn it back on, 1, 2, 3, it turns it on. So now you can just move it either way you want. So if I want to turn it off, I hit the home button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, it turns it off. All right, that's all to it. All right, thank you and subscribe to my channel.